kule weekend siphuma ku-Orlando Pirates adlala against i-Al Ahly bedlala le eCairo. Orlando Pirates yashaya i-Al Ahly idlala home bayishaya ngo-2-1. Yabo i-Orlando Pirates bidlala away. So before i-match it's a culture la eSouth Africa ukuthi abadlali bephuma kwe-dressing room yabo bafike bahambe becula amaculo. Orlando Pirates ihlala ikwenza lokho sijwayele ukuyibona masiposta ama-documentaries wayo. So in this instant Orlando Pirates ikwenzile ke lokho yabo because ivideo la ade beyipostile kuma page yabo bayipostile ivideo necafe yayipost ivideo Orlando Pirates nje wanibona la ade icula yabo wasaposta ke lo mjide lo uMickey journalist yala eAfrica yabo ojwayele ukushare indaba zebhola la eAfrica yabo wazi kangcono ngebhola la eAfrica in general. Each and every country unolwazi ngebhola lakhona. So uthi lana Orlando Pirates have been criticized by some members at Al Ahly after the win in Cairo. Yabo. So Orlando Pirates icriticisiwe after they won against the Al Ahly. Why be criticisiwe na? Yabo. So they claim the South African Giants sang some spiritual songs and made chants which are not related to football and had an effect on the African Giants which are Al Ahly. Yabo. Should lezi ingoma lesade iculwe Orlando Pirates lama chants lawa lama spiritual chants abakhuluma ngegwijo. Siyasonke bafethi igwijo. Amagwijo ingoma nje zala eSouth Africa. Ingoma zala eSouth Africa ejwayele ukuculwa mekutoyitoya ejwayele ukuculwa ama-fans ejwayele ukuculwa abadlali bebeyongena egroundini. Yabo. Nami ngisadlala ibhola ngangicula le ngoma lezi neteam yami ngangidlalela. I fail to understand why ama-team ase-North Africa disrespecta kanje thina abaqhamuka la ngezansi Southern Africa. Yabo. Isiyashisa induku because le ngoma lezi I feel like le ngoma lezi ziba intimidateile. Yabo ziba intimidateile nje bona bayishayela uvalo lwabo nawo sebethula induku. Because le ngoma lezi ziyasiza abadlali ukuthi behlise uvalo. Yabo mabecula zehlisa uvalo zenze nje abadlali babe relaxed babe cool babe calm bakhumbuze ekhaya. Yabo sibakhumbuze ekhaya. Njalo beyicula nje beyicwala eEgypt beyibakhumbuze ekhaya beyibatshela ukuthi basempini la abazile ukuzovakasha basempini bazothatha u3 points. I'm really disappointed ngala ma comments criticize Orlando Pirates. Yabo ngathi Orlando Pirates ngayiphinde le ngoma kuze kufike kwifinal abafiki beloku beculile nje.
Hey!